At night, you need to feed your skin the nutrients it needs so it can restore and repair itself while you sleep. After I've cleansed my skin at night, I always reach for our creme de serum, which is our overnight restoring treatment. It packs 3 powerful age fighters. We've got anti-aging peptides, hyaluronic for moisture, and we've got the melanin complex, of course, which helps fight the effects of aging. It feels so silky smooth on the skin, and I feel like my skin just drinks it in. One of the best things about Meaningful Beauty is that it's fast and easy. Just a few simple steps, morning and evening. So after my skin is clean in the morning, my next step is our ultra lifting and filling treatment. This super serum takes Meaningful Beauty to a whole new level. After you've cleansed your skin, just apply 1 or 2 pumps all over your face and neck. It feels silky smooth. I use it once a day to have younger looking skin that looks significantly plumper, smoother, firmer, and more lifted.